Hello guys, so in this video I want to talk with you about how to warm up your template, whether it's a plain text or HTML. So in Warmy you have this feature. With this feature you can add your own template, the one that you're going to send to your real clients and to your prospects or to your subscribers. You can add it to the warm up process before you send them. So you practice and you make the template more deliverable before you send it to your real client. So how you do that? You go to the templates tab in your dashboard. You write your email subject, the one exactly that you're sending to your clients. You choose the plain text or the HTML. If it's HTML, you can add the code here. You can preview the HTML if it looks good. If it's plain text, you can write it here. You can check this template to see if the subject line is good enough, if the word count, the reading time, all the parameters, if the message will be deliverable. The HTML you add here, as I mentioned, and you can choose from what mailboxes you are going to send these emails. You choose the language of the template. We support more than 30 languages, so you can choose the language, and then you click save, and then you can start warming up your template, and you will see a very high jump in your deliverability with this specific template. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.